Dad, come here, quickly. Look at this.
What is it, Sophie? Is it another art project? Wow, that looks incredible. Can we build one?
Mom, have you seen this?
Seen what?
This drawing. It's huge. It's a garden fort. We can play there every day.
Play in the garden?
Yes, with games and books.
I always wanted a secret hideout when I was little.
I know you did.
Oh, what's wrong?
It looks complicated and expensive.
Well, good things take effort. I'm kidding, mostly. We can build step by step.
What are you suggesting?
A garden fort in our backyard?
Exactly. Adults are just grown-up kids.
Hey, grown-up kids have better tools.
Please? Can we?
Okay, but we work together and stay safe.
Can I help know too?
Of course, you can.
Is that the roof frame?
Yes, and this is the door opening. This base is the foundation. It makes the shed strong
Why does it need a foundation?
because it has to be stable. Smart question. The foundation keeps everything level.
Will it be strong enough?
It has to be. Strong structures last longer.
Garden fort kit. These pieces are bigger than expected. You said it would be simple.
I may have said medium complexity.
What's in all these boxes?
Brackets, panels, bolts.
What's a bolt? Like tape?
Much stronger than tape.
What's that tool?
A drill.
Wow!
Hold it steady, Sophie.
Can I try it?
You can watch me use it first.
You can organize the small pieces here. Why do we seal the wood?
To protect it from weather and damage. So it lasts years?
Exactly right.
Can I paint my name here?
Absolutely. Make it yours.
Is this panel heavy?
Yes, it is. Hold carefully. Take your time. No rushing. All right, the big test. Will it stand?
It's solid! It's actually real now!
Great teamwork, everyone.
I think this corner is mine. It's mine!
Where's my space?
We share everything. It's more fun that way. This garden feels magical now.
Let's head inside for dinner. Building made me hungry.
Can we camp out here tomorrow night?
We'll see. Are you awake? What's that noise? Listen carefully.
That's not normal garden sounds.
There's something moving outside. Dad! Mom! Come! Quickly!
It's an animal and it sounds hurt. Did we disturb something?
No. Something came to us for help. This might be our responsibility now. Look, it has neighbors too.
Why is it shaking?
Animals shake when they're scared.
Or when they're cold.
Yes, we should help carefully.
Is this safe?
It's perfect for now.
Why isn't it leaving?
Because it feels safe with us.
So trust grows slowly.
Yes, exactly.
Wait, look at that.
It has a collar.
Someone is missing this puppy. It looks lost. This changes everything.
This puppy belongs to someone. There are missing pet signs everywhere.
This pup is close to home.
Is that our neighborhood?
Let's check tomorrow morning.
Why are there so many posters?
People are searching.
It means someone loves this puppy very much. We need to help it get home.
That's interesting. These descriptions match perfectly.
What do you mean?
This poster says, "Golden puppy, blue collar."
So this is definitely someone's pet.
We should call this number. Hello. I wanted to ask about the lost puppy. We found a golden puppy. Are you excited?
What if we do something special?
Something like what?
Help reunite them properly.
Reunite? Who?
The puppy and its real family. Mom, can I show you my idea?
Of course.
If we do this right, maybe everyone will be happy.
You think very kindly.
Is this the welcome banner? Yes, this is ribbon. Will it make them smile?
Yes. Happy moments need celebration. Our kids helped find your puppy. Thank you. My daughter wanted to make this special.
This puppy is going home safe. Maybe we should celebrate.
We should definitely celebrate.
Please stay for lunch.
The puppy looks happy now.
Home means being with people who love you.
My daughter smiled so much today.
Helping others made her happy.
I'm glad we tried our best.
Sometimes a simple structure can create big connections.